So today I'm at Loup of Fintry, waterfall, just about to walk up to it. Yesterday it was at Loudon Hill, but thought I'd make the most of it before I start walking again. So here goes. So this is the road. It's not a bit fell in the trees. Should be a better walk probably because it's right on the other side of the trees through the road. Anyway, let's go. Apparently this is the wrong way on my phone. I need to get down here and walk down the main road but then cut up. There's no way to park down there. Gate's closed. So here we go, back down the way. See how it goes. So here we are at the top of this one. I'm sure this is it. Looks pretty big. Even if it isn't it, I want to photograph that. Oh, that's definitely it. It's huge. I'm not going to get too close to the edge, I don't think. But I'm here, so that's it. Big. Pictures I've seen been to the other side right enough, but I think it goes all the way down there. Quite a tall one. So I don't know if there's another way down to the bottom. Let's see what I can do. So that one didn't work out. I didn't like that. It wasn't much. It was too slippy and it was too high and there wasn't much to climb really. Anyway, so I'm here at Campsie now, so it's the way home. So I thought I'll pop in there, get some pictures while we're here on the way home. So let's go. There it's there. First one. After that we'll go down the hill on the rope. Right, the rope's still there. Nobody here. Woohoo! No, not like there's people a bit. Quite a nice bit this. Plenty to see, plenty to photograph. Just need to work it out the bit to get to. Go up this waterfall up the top here first. How you look a bit. Right, so I kinda like this shot here. See, maybe can. So if you're leaving the stick that's in the water there, up to the waterfall, cut out the sky. Let's set up my other camera here on top of this and we'll see it a bit better. The next shot, landscape mode, basically the same settings because I was working, and I'm going to focus here first, then I'll focus, probably it's on the same plane as the waterfall, but focus, probably a 3 stacker, see how that turns out. So we'll get the same again here, restart. This time it's leading almost my student to the right, top right, into the left hand corner. I might try and get dot a wee bit more. Don't know if it's worthwhile. We'll see. Anyway, that's a top thing here. With the polarizing filter on. They're looking quite nice and dark and really wintry. Enough water going over that fall. See the trickle that we did the last time. So I'll get a couple more shots and then I'll head down to the other one, then I'll head home. I'll be quite happy to get a couple of shots. That's that waterfall done. See if this goes on, is it? Yeah, it is. So, that's that waterfall done. Behind me. Somewhere. Can you see it? Aye, behind me. So now I'm going to go to this one. I'll turn you around a bit. Down there. There's only a wee bit to stand on, but this one goes down there. There's another one down there that we can't get to, so I'll just go to this bit down here. Down the bottom there, on the left hand side. Take some pictures and then head home. This one's a wee climb, as you'll see in a minute. Turn you back round to me. Alright, so that one's a wee climb, this one, so you watch my footing. There's a big rope there. I've got a tripod in my hand. Let's figure that out. I'll show you. Turn you around a bit. And walk this wee path here. A bit sketchy at the best of times. As you can see, it was right over there. You've got to watch. Don't want to fall down there. Right. This is us. We're ready to go down. Get some pictures and back up. I think that'll do me. And then I'll get home and I've saved the day, I think. Okay, I'm putting you away until I get down the bottom. You'll see the rope all the way to the bottom. Okay, so we made it down. Along there. Now, this is a waterfall you can go underneath. I think I'll probably go underneath for a shot. But there's a waterfall down there that we can't get to. We don't want to get to that today anyway. So I'm going to try and head down here. Get a shot somewhere. Can I get a shot here or something wrong with me? But anyway, something wrong with me. I should get a shot. I'm going to head underneath first. Take that shot and then I'll come out. The trees are orange up the top there. Sunset must be nice. So we better get this done before the light fades altogether. So how nice is it? Very nice. I'll just head up underneath the waterfall. Got a shot. There's a lot of water coming out here. I need to shout a bit. You're right underneath the waterfall here. Pretty mad. A big cave. Nice view. Lovely sparrow car over there. Alright. Hopefully you can hear me. Haha. If you can't, you know what's happened. Set up a shot here. Just going to take a couple of shots. See what I can come up with. That's one there, I'll put. We're going to try and work on the dark areas over. Try and bring them out a wee bit. So hopefully it works. How mad is that? That's mad. I'm rolling off that water, but you know. Couple more pictures, then I'll get out of here, there, give a couple more, then I'll head home. Well, I like it here. I'll take this shot for here. You can see, there we go. F11, 4 seconds. Profile, polarising filter. And I've focused, constantly focused here on the grasses, and then I've focused on the rock in the middle of the water, and then I've focused on the waterfall there to give it a wee bit faster shutter speed so it wouldn't look as blown out. I'll put these three together and we'll see how that comes out. Okay, so I'm taking a couple of pictures here. Of this one here, a wee bit of landscape. Try to get more of the environment in. And I've took one just focusing here at the bottom, and I'm going to try and get the waterfall a bit better focus. First, I'm going over here to this rock. I'm going to up the shutter speed. I want any trees in, and then I'll catch up the waterfall maybe. See how that turns out. There we go. That's a lot nicer. So that's me get two exposures there, one dark and one light. So I'm going to move round again, try and get some more. The first image for this was focusing down here because the wee rock just showing there, and that was 20 seconds. The second image is this rock in the middle here, that's down to 5 seconds. So we're going to focus now on the waterfall, which is here. There we go, 6 set, 4, 2. Now we'll go 4, we'll change it to 4. Call it F11 polarised filter, 2 second timer. See how that turns out. That turns out that'll be my last image of the night, then I'm heading home. Tomorrow, yeah, there we go, that looks okay. Waterfall looks just about right. So the next time I'll see this place will be, I don't know, maybe in the summer, who knows. And in the summer here you get the wild swimmers, and the wild swimmers were in here the last time I was under the waterfall. Anyway, that's all I can say. So I'm going to head home now. I might take one more shot, portrait, but that's it. Over and out. Well, time to start heading back up. As you can see, up the rope, pull the tree down that way probably. I'm not heavy? No. Anyway, same time, the light's gone. Not very wee bit, but that's gone, so wish me luck.